Hey guys, welcome to Rex MLB. Alright guys, so yesterday I talked about how I'm depressed with the Cubs by losing Shohei Ohtani and Jung-Hoo Lee. So in this video I'm going to talk about how we can fix our Chicago Cubs. Now right here, what you can see, this is our 2023 lineup. This is without Yan Gomes because like he didn't really do good. I'm sorry. He's a nice guy, but I'm sorry. Anyways, so first move we will make is on third base, and we're not changing anything. We're just saying Morel, never mind, stay at third base, and you'll take time with Patrick Wisdom. Next up is first base. We should sign Rhys Hoskins. I'm just going to say he's such a good bat. My bad, I cut off. Anyways, so, and plus, I really love his home run celebration, just throwing the bat on the ground. We just need him so much. Of course, Bellinger will stay in center. Swanson, Horner, Happ, Suzuki all stay. But at catcher, like I said, we're not going to use Tucker Barnett or Yan Gomes. We're signing Mitch Garver. Yep, World Series winner Mitch Garver. We will have him at catcher. I don't think the Rangers care because they have a switch hitter, Jonah Heim. They just don't care. And so we should just pick him up. He hasn't signed yet. Just sign him already. Anyways, and then last but not least, our new DH, bring back Jorge Soler. Just do it. Just imagine a Cubs team that has a healthy Bellinger doing amazing runner-up for MVP, Rhys Hoskins being Rhys Hoskins, Jorge Soler having 40 home run seasons. This is just amazing. And then Morel has broke out being amazing. And Suzuki and Horner are just getting better and better. Swanson is good. Now, I love Ian Happ. Maybe, just maybe, should try to put someone else out there. But Happ is good for now. He's a switch hitter who's really good. So, I know this was kind of out there, but hey, don't forget, next video, we're talking about Chicago Cubs pitching staff, how to make that better. You have reached the end of the video. Please like and subscribe. Bye.